Hello everyone, welcome back.
Hi friends, today we are super excited. Yes, if you travel or plan to travel, this will help you a lot.
We are going to learn
English at the airport,
from check-in to security to boarding the plane.
step by step, slowly and easily.
So don't worry if your English is weak.
We will make it simple for you.
Yes. Let's start your airport English journey. Okay, Elizabeth. Let's imagine we are at the airport.
Oh, I love airports. They are so exciting.
Yes, airports are exciting, but also sometimes a little confusing.
Confusing. That means a little difficult to understand. A little bit lost.
Right, so today, we help you. You will know exactly what to say.
Step 1. You arrive at the airport. What do you do first?
First, you go to check-in.
Check-in is when you go to the desk and you tell them you are here,
You give them your ticket. You give them your passport.
and they give you your boarding pass.
Boarding pass. That is a very important word. Boarding pass.
A boarding pass is your ticket to get on the plane.
Without a boarding pass, you cannot get on the plane.
So the boarding pass is very, very important.
I lost my boarding pass one time.
And then?
I was so stressed. I looked in my bag, my pocket, everywhere. It was in my hand. I was holding it the whole time. He.
Oh, David. Okay, everyone. Don't be like David. Know where your boarding pass is. Now you go to security.
Security. This is where they check your bag. They check you are safe.
Everyone goes through security at the airport.
At security, there are some important things to know.
Yes. So let's talk about them.
First, you must take off your shoes.
Take off your shoes. That means remove your shoes. Put them in a tray.
Take off your shoes.
They also want you to remove your jacket or coat.
Remove your jacket. Put it in the tray.
And your bag. Put your bag on the machine. The machine looks inside the bag.
It is an X-ray machine. X-ray machine.
The X-ray machine can see everything inside your bag.
The security worker might ask you some questions. Let's listen.
I am the traveler again. Ready?
Excuse me, is this your bag?
Yes, that is my bag.
Can you open it, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes. I have a small bottle of water.
I'm sorry. Liquids over 100 milliliters are not allowed. You must throw it away.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
That's okay. Back to normal voice. And that is something many travelers don't know.
Yes. Liquids, water, juice, shampoo, they must be small. Under 100 milliliters.
Good. You are learning so fast. Okay. Security is done. Shoes are back on. Bag is back. Let's go.
Shoes are back on. Now, you need to find your gate.
A gate is the door where you get on the plane.
Every flight has a gate number. For example, Gate 12, Gate 25, Gate 7.
You can find your gate number on your boarding pass.
Or you can look at the big screens in the airport.
The screens show all the flights. They show the gate number. They show the time.
If you are confused, you can ask someone for help.
Yes, don't be afraid to ask. People at the airport are usually very helpful.
Of course. How can I help?
I am looking for gate 15. Where is gate 15?
Gate 15 is down this hallway. Turn left, then take the escalator up.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
And actually, it is better to ask than to go to the wrong gate.
Going to the wrong gate is a big problem.
I went to the wrong gate one time. Ha ha ha.
Really? What happened?
I sat there for 1 hour. Very calm. Then I looked at my boarding pass again. My gate was on the other side of the airport. I had to run.
Oh no. So everyone, check your gate number. Check it 2 times, 3 times. You made it onto the plane.
Congratulations. Now find your seat using your boarding pass.
For example, seat 24B, row 24, seat B.
A and F are usually window seats. The aisle seat is next to the walkway.
A flight attendant can help you find your seat and your overhead compartment.
The overhead compartment is the storage space above your head for your carry-on bag.
During the flight, you can ask politely for food or drinks.
Can I have some water, please? Is a very useful phrase.
The flight attendant may ask still or sparkling water.
Great job. Now you are ready to speak English on the plane.
The plane has landed. Welcome to your destination.
Great. But you're not finished yet.
First step, immigration.
Immigration is where they check your passport.
You stand in line, then answer simple questions.
Good afternoon. Passport, please.
Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for a holiday.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel in the city center.
Thank you. Welcome.
After immigration, you go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim is where you pick up your big bag.
Watch the carousel and look for your flight number. When you see your bag, grab it.
But sometimes, bags are late or lost.
Don't panic. Go to the airline desk.
The airline will help you find it.
Always keep important things in your carry-on bag.
Like medicine, chargers, and clothes.
Smart travelers always prepare Alice, and that's baggage claim. Last step at the airport, customs.
Customs. This is where they check what you are bringing into the country.
Some things are not allowed in certain countries.
Like too much food, or too much money, or certain items.
There are usually two lines, a green line and a red line.
Green line. Nothing to declare. This means, I have nothing special.
And that's it. You are officially inside the country.
Great job. You are now ready to travel with confidence.
Tell us in the comments, which country do you want to visit one day?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing English with us.
Safe travels, everyone.